Let's do a classic what's in my bag video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a classic what's in my bag video, mainly because I love doing these videos, also because I got a new bag. So it's only right that I do a what's in my bag video. I am currently carrying a City bucket bag from the Coach outlet, from that Coach outlet. And this is in the signature canvas. Now, I will tell you, I went into the Coach outlet thinking I was going to be purchasing a bag that I had been influenced to purchase from social media, but they didn't have the color that I want. And after perusing and browsing for a while, and after my colleagues had learned my style and what I was looking for, one of them was like, "What about this?" And they picked it up and I was like, you know what? I actually like that bag, but I'm not an impulsive person. I'm very mindful about my spending, very demure, very cutesy. So I couldn't purchase it just then. I could have, but I have to make sure I really am wanting something and going to use it before I purchase it. It's just a thing. So I ruminated on the purchase for, I don't know, like 2-3 weeks. And then I finally pulled the plug and I purchased this, which currently serves as my birthday gift to myself. One cool thing is that it has a strap, a mini strap here, and it has a longer strap. So you can carry it as a shoulder bag, which I got my first ever, I got a shoulder bag. I used to wear shoulder bags when I was a kid, but I didn't wear them in my adult life. So I got my first ever adult shoulder bag just at the beginning of spring, I think, or somewhere around like May, I believe. And so I've been obsessed with shoulder bags, but I do love a good crossbody, and you can adjust the strap here. So I do appreciate that. I have not worn the strap, not once. I have only been wearing it as a shoulder bag. It's perfect. It sits where it's supposed to sit. It's not weird. I am quite literally obsessed. But yeah, you can just remove both of the straps if you wouldn't want to do that, but you could if you wanted to. One thing that I have to say is that there is no zipper or no way to fully close the bag. There is just this snap closure here at the top, which I don't mind, but I know some people might find that to be a little bit weird. But as long as it's closed, I mean, I feel like I'm good to go. I'm also a person who doesn't really close their bags anyway, and people are always getting on to me about it, but anyway, that's my story. I do love the inside, which I will show you once it's empty. I love the color of it. I'm just obsessed with this bag. First things first, we have my iPhone. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm also using this Anchor case that I got from Anchor, but you can get it from Amazon, and I like it because it's basically a prop. Not only can you just hold your phone like this, but it's also, if you wanna watch videos, you can just kind of sit it up like this, or like this, or however you see fit, and just prop up the phone. Next up, I have some lotion. I recently got this from Bath & Body Works. It's actually body cream. It is Gingham Glow. I've tried all the Ginghams, and I think this one is more of a fall one. The rest of them are, I feel like, more summery. So I do appreciate this new hand cream or body cream. Next up, I have my keys, which, you know, you're not really supposed to show people your keys. So I'm gonna show you everything but my keys. I have my gym membership card on here. I have both of the keys to both of the vehicles that I drive. Well, one's my husband's, one's mine, but we kind of alternate with driving either of them depending on the needs. And then I have my AirPods on here, which I absolutely have to have on here. Now, I cannot get my AirPods out of the case to clean the case, or to clean the AirPods or the case. So that's tragic. But yeah, I do have my AirPods on here, and I have this Kate Spade case. Next up, we have my iPad. This is my iPad 6. They recently came out with an iPad 7, but I have no current plans of getting it. This is my iPad 6. I mainly use it for reading and for planning, for note-taking. So everything that the average person may write in their planner or notebook or what have you, I actually use my iPad for. I mainly read ebooks, so it works out perfectly. I have lots of videos talking about my iPad on my channel if you want to check it out. But yeah, this is the iPad Mini 6. I think the color is called Starlight. The case is from Amazon, and then I recently added this black pop socket. There it is. Pop socket for easier reading, planning, and what have you. Next, we have my toiletries bag. I don't know where I got this from, but it says random stuff, and that is true. So I have a bunch of random stuff in here. First of all, I have some Kleenex tissues. My students use those more than me. Some EOS chapstick. My husband uses that more than me. I am a Scentbird subscriber. So for October, they sent me Catherine Malandrino's Dream perfume. So this is my scent of the month. Random floss that I won at work. I have some Band-Aids here. I have one Shout wipe. Again, most of these are random bits and bobs left over from the kits. I have some Summer's Eve Blissful Escape Daily Refreshing Cloths. This is a little pill cake. Wait, oh, I'm like, where are the pills? This is a little pill case. It has a little mirror type of situation at the top. And I have Advil perhaps in here, and I think it's cute, so I keep those in here. My current hand sanitizer is Wild Sand by Bath & Body Works, almost gone. More Band-Aids. I don't know what that's about, but apparently a lot of Band-Aids. I think this is cough medicine or some kind of flu medicine or cold medicine that I was taking, I think in October. I have a hair tie always, normally a couple, one for me and one for a friend. I have this little hair clip. I have a Tampax. I have lip gloss. This is NK Makeup Pure Lip Oil. I got this from the beauty supply store. All I wear in my older age is clear lip gloss. Also a leftover, I have some Poopery, and this is Beach Bum. Next up, I have my wallet, which I got this from Target, and it matched my summer shoulder bag. I love my wallets to have wristlets. In fact, there is a wallet out there that perfectly matches this bag that I may buy myself at some point in life. But I'm not huge on wallets, but I don't know, the wallet's really cute, although it's really expensive. It's like $70, which is a little too much, too rich for my blood, so there's that. But I have all of my cards in here, in the front and the back, mainly like cards that I can buy stuff with in the front, and then random identification cards and medical cards and stuff in the back. And then, do I have any cash? It's doubtful. And then if I did have cash, it would be in this middle pocket. And if I had any change, it would be in this middle pocket. But I think I gave it away. Oh, I have my sunglasses in here. That's funny, because I literally never wear sunglasses. But I was going, I think I was at one of my husband's football games, because he's a coach, and it was sunny and it was doing a number. So I was wearing my glasses, I think. I have a Sephora gift card that I got for my birthday that I need to spend because I'm out of this one product and I feel like I may replace it soon. So that's why I'm keeping it on me. I have gum, Trident. I have my favorite pen, which is a Sharpie S-Gel pen. This is in 0.7, which is my favorite. So I keep this on me. And then of course I have my Apple Pencil. This is the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, and I use it with my iPad. I don't just not have it attached on purpose, but it falls off a lot because it doesn't attach very well with this particular case. I have a bunch of receipts and stuff that I am now going to throw away. I knew I had two, a broken nail. I got a bunch of crap. I knew I had 2 hair ties, so I have another one here. I'm just gonna put that in my toiletries bag, and I honestly think that my gum should go in the toiletries bag. That gift card can technically, it's not a toiletry, but just for safekeeping, or not the toilet. Let's put the lotion. I normally keep my lotion out because I use it a lot. There's a zippered portion. Oh, here's the inside, by the way. There's a zippered portion back here. Oh, of course, I have some of my favorite writing utensils. This is not one of my favorites. I don't even know what this is. It's just a backup pen. It's a ballpoint pen, but I prefer gel, so I don't really do too much with it. I have a friction highlighter, Pilot friction highlighter. It's erasable. And then I have a Zig Clean Color Dot marker highlighter in, I was trying to see the color, grayish green, which is one of my favorites. So I have those in here because if they were to burst, hopefully not, I don't want them to burst inside of the bag. I love it. I also love this too. You know what might be cute? You know how some people are putting little charms and cherries and stuff on their bags? That could be cute. Okay, so that is gonna be it for this video. That is what is all in my bag. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns about the bag, specifically, let me know down in the comment section. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.